All right, this is the basic of all line dances called the electric slide. I can guarantee you most of you are going to get this, and believe it or not, it's been around since about 1976, so we're going to bring it back. Get a little space, put some comfortable shoes on, put a big smile on. We're getting ready to slide. So you're going to take 2 steps in one direction, just like this. 1, 2, to the other direction. 1, 2. Step, step. That's 1, 2. Very simple, right? You got this. Now, if you want to make it a little spicier, instead of the slide, when we start doing that dance, I'm going to demo what is called the grapevine. A little more complicated, but you got this. You're going to step right, behind with the left, step, scuff. Step, behind, step, scuff. For the sake of practice, let's do that one more time. Step, behind, step, scuff, step, behind, step, scuff. So again, you're going to be doing 2 steps right, 2 steps left. I don't care if you do a grapevine or a slide. So the next step after you do 2 and 2 is going to be right foot back 3 times. So you're going to go right, left, heel. Step, touch, step, back. Let's repeat that, okay? The teacher in me wants to repeat it starting with the right foot. Ready? Right, left, heel. Step, stomp right foot, step, back. I'm going to do it one more time just because I want to make sure you feel solid with it. Ready? Right foot back. Right, left, heel. Step, stomp right, step, back. Now let's start from the beginning with the 2 slides. Ready? And slide. Slide. 2 steps. Slide. Slide right foot. Right, left foot. Step, stomp, step, back. Everybody feel pretty good about that? You need one more time? All right, we'll do one more. One more. This time I'm going to do the grapevine to make it spicy. Ready? Step behind, step, scuff, step behind, step, scuff. Right foot, right, left, heel, step, stomp, step, back. Now, most of you feel pretty good with that. I'm going to shift my weight with my left foot. I'm going to scuff right, and I'm going to quarter turn to the left and repeat. So, we're in this position. You're going to shift your weight, left. Remember this one? Step, step, stomp. Remember where we left off? Now you're going to step, scuff, and then repeat with the slide. So let's do that again. Okay, so I think it's going to be easier if we go back with the right foot 3 times, this part, and then go through. So just mirror me if you don't mind. Ready? Right, left, step, step, stomp, step, back, step, scuff, quarter turn, then slide, slide. And this is when you repeat the dance. Just every time you finish the dance, you take a quarter turn. So we're going to do this one more time. Okay, from the top. Ready? Go. Step, 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 step. Right foot. Right, left, step, stomp, step, back, step, quarter turn, step, step. Okay? Step, step. Keep going. 1, 2, 3. Step, step, stomp, step, back. Remember this one? Step, quarter turn, and then slide, slide, slide. One more time like this. Ready? Go 1, 2, 3. Step front, step, scuff, step, back, quarter turn, and boom. I believe most of you have this. So let's put that music on. If you got the music at home, you want to listen to our music, let's have some fun with this, okay? Let's get ready. 3, 2, 1. Have some fun. Shake those hips. There you go. And step. Good. You keep going to the rest of that song, have some fun, and let me know what you think in the comments below, and we'll give you some more dances like this. Thanks for joining Coach Kip.